Displays of two aircraft from the Pakistani Air Force, the JF-17 Thunder and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. We recorded these displays at Airshow Turkey 100 in Izmir in 2011. This is a Block 1 JF-17 Thunder and an F-16A Fighting Falcon. It's important to point out we don't know how much fuel both of these aircraft are flying with. I guess they're both set up for a decent flying display, but let's take a look at who gets airborne first. That's a win for the F-16. He's also cementing that by going straight into the vertical, enough to surprise Adrian on the main camera, and he loses him. The JF-17 continues the steady climb before reversing to reposition for a pass from the right-hand side. It's more vertical action from the F-16, this time a full loop, while the JF-17 trails some nice vortices in a 360-degree turn. The F-16 completes the loop and goes straight into its own 360. Both of these turns taking roughly the same length of time for each aircraft to complete. We'll call that one a draw. Stick around to the end of the video where we can compare specific manoeuvres side by side. The F-16 is doing a nice job of keeping this tight in front of the large audience at the airshow, as the JF-17 is taking a little time to reposition for an inverted flypast. With the F-16s again into the vertical, carrying out a Cuban 8, it's starting to feel like the JF-17 is flying a low show, or one prepared for a day when cloud level precludes manoeuvres above a certain height. The F-16 completing that Cuban 8, and both aircraft heading out to the left-hand side for the next manoeuvre. JF-17 returning for a fast, high G wing over before completing the roll to reposition out to the right. Meanwhile, the F-16 enters another 360, really pulling hard to complete this turn.